China just forced a fundamental rethink of Tesla's interior philosophy. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a regulatory earthquake that could reshape EV design globally by 2027. For years, Tesla has championed a minimalist aesthetic, centralizing nearly all vehicle functions within expansive touchscreens. But a new mandate from the world's largest automotive market is challenging that very foundation. Starting July 1, 2027, China will implement a new safety standard requiring all newly manufactured vehicles to feature dedicated physical controls for essential operations. This isn't a suggestion, it's a hard rule. Critical functions like turn signals, hazard lights, the horn, windshield wipers, defrosters, and even gear selection must be accessible via traditional buttons or stalks. The driving force behind this is clear: safety. Regulators aim to reduce driver distraction and ensure vital controls can be accessed instinctively without the need to navigate complex touchscreen menus. This regulation directly impacts automakers like Tesla, whose current Model 3 and Model Y interiors rely heavily on touchscreen interfaces for many of these functions. For instance, activating turn signals often involves haptic buttons on the steering wheel, and wipers are typically controlled through the central display. The new Chinese standard will necessitate a redesign of these interior elements to incorporate traditional physical controls, ensuring full compliance with the safety mandate. This isn't merely a cosmetic adjustment, it represents a fundamental re-evaluation of the human-machine interface in modern vehicles. While touchscreens offer undeniable flexibility and a sleek aesthetic, regulators in China, and increasingly in Europe, are prioritizing tactile feedback and immediate access for safety-critical operations. This move suggests a growing consensus that certain functions are simply too important to be buried within digital menus. The implications extend far beyond Tesla. As the world's largest automotive market, China's regulations frequently set a precedent that influences global design and engineering. Other manufacturers that have adopted similar screen-centric designs may also need to adapt their vehicles for the Chinese market, potentially leading to a broader industry trend towards a hybrid approach, combining sophisticated digital interfaces with essential intuitive physical controls. Ultimately, this new regulation underscores a crucial balance. The desire for technological advancement and sleek design must be carefully weighed against the imperative of driver safety and intuitive control. It highlights an evolving understanding of how drivers interact with their vehicles, especially in high-stress situations, and how regulatory bodies are responding to those insights. So, what does this mean for the future of car interiors? Will we see a resurgence of physical buttons across the board, or will automakers find innovative ways to integrate tactile controls while maintaining a modern, minimalist feel? And how will this Chinese mandate shape the global conversation around automotive safety and design? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, understand the real impact of these tech shifts, and join a community that's always in the know about the future of automotive, then hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications is your next move. Don't just watch the future unfold, be part of the conversation.